Hey, Diana, Valley Growling the Forest? Is this Waiter, my boyfriend, my me? The boyfriend is my me to do it. Thanks, Diana, the Forest. I go back in my back room. Yeah, what do you want? He's right over there, the boyfriend. So show that not the boyfriend, just if you don't want to, okay? No problem, boyfriend. I will see you in the moment, my friend. Well, Jonah is not in the way to God is very good. Excuse me, after they go to getting small lots of forest, where was it where was it my back room and then my girlfriend with me?
It's right over bedroom before eating lunch me. Okay, Josyan.
Thanks, after the gonna get some forest, I have to put my room to go to sleep.
It's right over Josyan. It's tired after go to bed. Well, you're truly zing Josyan. I better wait for me.
Okay, after 9 months ago, what happened was just me and my computer. I had enough of a communication because I'm with my friend anymore. After my home, I have a one to the Jonah house. I have fun to watch like me. I had it in mind for you to go for why you're scenarios now is over. Do not wait attention to me. Huh? Who said that? I don't want to hear that. Wait, you're old. I only like it can make me, okay? I only like when my Jonah has now got lost me between the bird, okay? Yeah, you're worried? What's wrong? Well, you're rude. I only like when my phone never got in the last time. Wait, Yoda! Wait! No, no, no! No, 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 no! Wait! Yoda! I don't want to die! I don't want to die! Please, don't kill me! Please! No, 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 no! Wait! Yoda! What are you doing? We're not going to die! We're not going to die! Wait, you're the wrong. I don't want to stomach glory. Just leave alone. I don't think I want stomach glory. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. You wait, you saved my tummy. You're right. I don't want to die. I'm so sick. My tummy is out. I'm scared. I might you. You don't look like me. I have heard all my life. Look at me. That's me. I hate this. I hope you like this. Thank God. I hope it's going to go goodbye. I hope you like this. Did you trust me? I hope you like this. Did you I genuinely. I hope you like this. It's gonna be bad to win.